shutdown. SpaceX can't test fire Falcon Heavy rocket. Melbourne, Florida. SpaceX will be unable to test fire its 3-core Falcon Heavy rocket at Kennedy Space Center because of the government shutdown, further delaying checkout operations ahead of the rocket's demonstration flight, the 45th Space Wing said Sunday. Due to the shutdown removing key members of the civilian workforce, the 45th Space Wing will not be able to support commercial static fires taking place on Kennedy Space Center, the wing said, further noting that launch operations at Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Air Force Station also are on hold until the shutdown is resolved. More, Elon Musk. SpaceX's Falcon Heavy launch will be before end of January. SpaceX teams have fueled the 230-foot-tall Falcon Heavy rocket at Pad 39A at least twice ahead of the static test fire, which is essentially a test before the test. Engineers will examine data from the 12-second firing of the rocket's 27 Merlin main engines before giving the all-clear to launch on its premier mission. The test fire was scheduled for Friday and then moved to Saturday before being put on hold by the government shutdown. U.S. Senate leaders adjourned Sunday without reaching a deal to end the government shutdown, but a vote was scheduled for Monday. More, Senate adjourns without deal to end shutdown, Monday vote scheduled because of the shutdown. Hundreds of thousands of furloughed government workers won't show up for work Monday and many federal offices throughout the nation will be closed. Falcon Heavy represents SpaceX's entry into the heavy lift market and, when it launches, will become the most powerful rocket in the world thanks to its 5.1 million pounds of thrust. The 40-foot-wide rocket will ultimately allow the California-based company to take heavier payloads to orbit while pursuing its reusability goals. Its 2 side boosters will land at Cape Canaveral's Landing Zone 1 while the center stage will descend on the Of Course I Still Love You drone ship. More, Elon Musk reveals red Tesla Roadster bounds for Mars earlier this month. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk said the Falcon Heavy would launch before the end of January. Contributing, Aaron Kelly, USA Today. Follow Emery Kelly on Twitter, @EmeryKelly. More photos. See the world's most powerful rocket, all 27 engines, before it launches.